un amigo de Chile que siempre ha considerado el mercado chileno como de vital importancia dentro de las estrategias que se hacen en América Latina a nivel general. Nada menos que es el señor Philip John, presidente y CEO de Dallas. Gracias por estar acá, Philip.
Well, we have a lot of tourism activities to take advantage of when you visit Dallas. We have great shopping, the best in the Southwest, and for international visitors, it's tax-free. So it's a great way to come to the United States, do some of the best shopping in the country, and then get your taxes back. The other area that we're best known for is sports. We have the Dallas Cowboys, the Dallas Stars, the Dallas Mavericks, great sporting activities throughout the city year-round. We also have some of the top restaurants in the country, with some of the 4- and 5-star restaurants that are top-rated in the entire United States, with very creative cuisine such as Asian, Tex-Asian fusion restaurant style of cuisine that's quite popular. And then we have a lot of attractions like the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. We just opened the Bush Presidential Library last month. We have the Dallas Zoo, the Dallas Aquarium, and several other new museums in the Arts District, the largest urban arts district in the country. And this year, we will be celebrating the 50th anniversary of the assassination of John F. Kennedy, and there's a museum dedicated to that called the 6th Floor Museum. So a lot of very interesting historical events take place in the city of Dallas this year.